Lesson 25. Reading practice number 5. Mr. Fenton, colon. This is a rather difficult letter for me to write because I must refuse your request to change your territory from the state of Michigan to the state of New York. Period. I wish I could satisfy you, but I am unable to do so. Paragraph. If you will read the personnel booklet of the Underwood Envelope Company, you will see that our representatives must have devoted at least 2 years to their territory before they are eligible to move to a different area. Period. You have been in your territory a little over 1 year, and you have made very satisfactory progress. Period. It is evident you are doing a good job. Period. You have won many valuable and influential friends, and you should have another good year. Paragraph. If you need any assistance in your work, please let us know. Period. Your success is just as important to our company as it is to you. Period. You can, of course, apply for a change again as soon as you are eligible, which will be in about 10 months. Paragraph. I hope you will understand our position. Period. Henry Quill. Reading practice number 6. Gentlemen, your overdue account is not causing us any real concern. Period. We are satisfied that a progressive organization like the General Toy Manufacturing Company intends to pay for the envelopes we printed for you, period. We think you will be glad to do this in order to maintain your good credit standing, paragraph. But we are bound under the rules of the Missouri State Credit Bureau to list with them immediately all accounts that are 90 days overdue, period. If we do not hear from you soon, we will have to take the difficult step of listing your account with the Missouri State Credit Bureau, period. We do not wish to do this, period. I hope you will not make it necessary for us to do so, paragraph. A stamped envelope is enclosed, period. Please take this opportunity to send your check directly to our office, period. Thanks for your understanding, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 7. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that there is a satisfactory reason why you have not paid us the $30 you owe us or acknowledge our request for payment for the goods you purchased in October and November, period. I hope, therefore, that you will take care of the enclosed statement or let us know as soon as possible the reason for your delay, paragraph. Why not take care of this matter now, period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 8. Miss Temple, it is difficult for me to understand why we have made so little progress and have had so little success in finding a satisfactory solution to the question of pollution control in the paperboard and envelope division of our factory in Peoria, Illinois, period. If we do not shortly comply with the law that the state passed in January, we will be in for a difficult time. Paragraph. I wish to call a meeting of the operations committee as soon as possible and request every member to have a definite plan to success. Period. I hope we can obtain a solution without delay because of the importance of the matter. Period. Mark C. Yale. Reading practice number 9. Mrs. Underwood, As you know, yesterday we made definite plans to have a meeting of our advertising department. Period. We were to meet on the morning of Tuesday, August 5, in Chicago. Period. We may have to change our plans though. Paragraph. I was just told by Mr. Sweet that he has called a tentative meeting of his finance committee for the same time in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, period. Says it is an important meeting at which we will take up several important matters concerning the efficiency of our business operations. Paragraph. If his meeting takes place of August 5, we would be well advised to postpone our meeting till next month, period. I will, of course, call you as soon as I learn anything definite, period. Harry C. Doyle. Reading practice number 10. Dear Dr. Dempsey, thus your house need a paint job or a more efficient kitchen? Whatever your needs, the state street finance company can grant you a loan of up to $10,000 at a lower rate than you can get elsewhere. Paragraph. Here is what you have to do to get a loan. Period. After you have decided on the changes you wish to make, request your contractor to estimate the cost. Period. Then fill out the enclosed application, mail it, and let us do the rest. Period. We will be able to give you a yes or no answer in 48 hours. Paragraph. Under our plan, repayment is easy. Period. Very truly yours.